Hey girl. Okay, so parent teacher conferences, right? It's going to seem like a ginormous cluster, but it's not. So once you get through the initial setup, it's going to be fine. So here's what you do. You pull up that thingy, whatever it's called, that Karen sent. And I put different colors on here because I'm super OCD. These are things you should know by now. And the only thing I did on coloring, literally, I just did days. So like the 14th, this is just so I can look at it easier. And so when I'm conferencing, it'll be easier. So there's the 14th, there's the 17th, there's the 18th. And then the gray area is, which I didn't think about it till I just said it out loud. But anyway, these are just extras. So like if you have somebody that's not on these dates, that's where I put these. You're going to find yourself having more or having a lot of these. Like for example, I'm meeting with a parent on Friday. So I'm going to put in whatever Friday's date is, the 28th. So right here, I'll put in October 28th and then put all the information there. Okay, so that's what my gray area is. You do not have to color this at all, seriously. So that's step number one. Figure out if you want to do that or not. All right, so step number two, so you need to have 4 things, like you really need to focus on 4 groups of kids on here. Okay, I'm going to send you a text message and show you how I, send you a picture of what I do, because I do it old school, just pull out a piece of paper so I can eyeball it. But you need to have age check kids, RSA kids, those kids with D's and F's, and then attendance kids. All right, so age check, the way that you get that, wait for it, is your little Excel that we made at the beginning of the year. Aren't you glad we made that? And then you're going to go to your age check. Wait. Now, here's the thing. I have a shit ton on here. Like 56 kids. I need to find out if we do all of those. I'm having a brain fart, but I'll find that out later. But anyway, just don't worry about that part. Go to your age check and get all those kids down. Okay? Now, there's going to be some on there. The red are the kids that have withdrawn. So those kids, you can red out. But you need to get all of these kids seen. Okay? So all of these kids need to be contacted to make a conference. So that's one step. The next step are your RSA kids. And you get that with your intervention. Bless you. Sorry, son's taking a shower. This is the most random video. Anyway, so then your age check, your RSA kids, those are your kids that you have in small group. Okay? So you just go to your intervention tab on that awesome Excel that we made, and you get all those kids down. Okay? The grades are going to be your next group of kids, and those are the kids that when we did report cards and I said, hey, write down the D's and F's, it's those kids. So pull that out, and then the next group is going to be attendance. All right? I'm going to show you how to do that later. But you're going to find that these kids overlap. So when you write it down, it's going to look like Panic Attack City, but really it's not, because start really paying attention and you're writing down a lot of the same names. So a lot of the same kids are getting D's and F's that are in your small groups for your RSA conferences that are also on the age check. So don't stress when you do this. When you first do this, just remember you're writing some of the same names down. Okay, so that's all on that. I will send a video or a picture of my little paper that I do. Okay, bye.